What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from geeksterlabs.com, and today I have a sponsored review for a product that was sent to me from Linpa World. So this is the Linpa World M1 on-ear Bluetooth headphones. And this pair of headphones retails for under 50 bucks. I have a link down below if you guys want to check them out. So this is probably the perfect solution for those of you that are looking for on-ear headphones that are wireless, but don't want to spend a lot of money on them. So we're going to do the unboxing of this product. We're going to talk about the build quality, the comfort / fit of them, and also most importantly, the sound quality that is produced by the M1 on-ear headphones. So without further ado, let's get to the review. Okay, so let's see what's included inside the box. So far we have some pretty nice packaging. Okay. And then we have the thank you card that comes with it, and this is some information from the company itself with contact info about the warranty and everything. So very nice. We do have a pouch. So this pair of headphones is kind of meant for it to be a good travel pair of headphones. So nice soft padded pouch right there, kind of thick. It's pretty nice. We have the instruction manual. It's always good to have. Then we have the headphones themselves, and they're already folded up, so you can kind of see the portability of them already. So that's basically how they fold up, like this. So that's pretty nice, and we'll get some closer looks at that. So, and also included in here is the micro USB charging cable. So this pair of headphones features a battery that will last up to 30 hours, and so you can use the micro USB here. This is what you use to charge them up. It takes up, I think, 2 hours to fully charge them up all the way. But you can use them while they're charging, and you can use them with the audio cable that also is included with this as well. So if you have the audio cable, you can be charging them up if they get low on battery, or if you don't want to waste any battery, you can also use the audio cable here. And this one also does feature a button and a microphone, so you can still, even though the Bluetooth is turned off, if you do get any phone calls or anything, you can use the little adapter right here to make phone calls, answer, play, pause, all those kind of things you can do with one button. You can't raise or lower the volume with this controller right here, but you can still listen to music and answer phone calls if you need to with the audio cable. So those are all the pieces that are included with the pair of headphones. So now let's take a closer look at the M1s. Okay, so here we have a closer look at the M1s. As you can see, so they're folded up. They fold up really nicely. So as far as build quality goes, the majority of this is made of plastic, which is fine. I mean, at the price point that they're at, I don't think you'd be expecting to see anything crazy. But even though they are black and just plastic, I mean, they still look high quality. They still look very nice. Has like a nice matte finish to it. I don't believe they come in any other color except this black color. And the band is very durable. It's very flexible. It has a built-in metal band inside of there too, so it'll hold its shape really well. And it's not going to crack or break on you very easily. And because the band is silicone, it's easy to wipe up and keep clean if you're going to get sweaty while using these to like work out or run or whatever. Since it have that silicone material, it's very easy to wipe down and keep clean, and you shouldn't have any issues with it. So it's pretty durable, and it seems like it's going to hold up really well. And the one thing I will say though is, since these are on-ear headphones, but they're pretty large on-ear headphones. If you have smaller ears, you probably function as over-ear headphones for you. But it has really nice soft foam padding on the inside here. And these are kind of designed for like really long-term use, like up to 4 hours plus use if you're using your headphones for listening to music or watching videos and stuff. So I think you would have no problem wearing these for long extended periods of time, because they're very comfortable, they're very plush, they're very nice. And so as far as ports and everything go on the actual headphones themselves, we do have the audio cable. So that's what the audio port right here would go on the bottom to use the audio cable to plug into your device. If you don't want to use any battery power, if you're low on battery, you can just plug them in. Like I said, you can also charge them through the micro USB while you're using the audio cable to charge them up while you're using them. Say if you're on a trip or something and you're running out of low on battery. We have the LED status light right there, and we have the microphone, so if you do want to answer phone calls, you can do that, and you would do that using the buttons on the edge right here. So on the edge we have the power on button, and that's also the play and skip button, volume up, volume down. We have the pick up the phone call buttons, and you can also use these buttons double for whether it's picking up phone calls or controlling your music. It works both ways for you. And when it comes to syncing this pair of Bluetooth earphones with your device, it's very simple. When you turn it on for the first time, it should be unpaired, and you should see a blue and red blinking light right there. If you don't see that blinking light, all you have to do is hold onto the power button and turn them on, and continue holding that button until you see the red and blue light blinking. So whenever you do see that, that means it's in pair mode. So you just basically go to your device. In my case, I have an iPhone right here, and you can see on the bottom there, it says LHB15. That is the headphones. Once you select that, give it a few seconds for it to sync up. There it goes. And when you do that, the headphones themselves will chime and make a certain noise to let you know that they are synced up with your device, and you can begin listening to music on the headphones through your device. So overall, really nice build quality, not too bad. I've seen pairs of headphones that retail for up to $200 with this style of build quality. So the fact that these are much more lower priced, really says a lot about them. So The comfort, like I said, they're very comfortable to wear. I didn't have any issues wearing them for longer periods of time, so that shouldn't be an issue at all. The build quality is fine. I think they'll hold up really well. They're lightweight, they're plastic, but even though they have electronics inside for Bluetooth, they're not going to feel heavy or on your head very much. I have a larger size head, and these fit me just fine. So if that's your issue, and you sometimes have a hard time finding on-ear headphones that fit your head, I don't think it'll be a problem with this. These actually expand quite a bit. I didn't even have to expand them all the way. I only used them about halfway on the edges right here, and it fit me just fine. So if you have a larger head, you should be having no issues finding a comfortable fit for this pair of headphones. So probably the next thing you want to know about this headphones is how do they sound? And they actually sound pretty dang good, especially for the price point that they're at. Like I've said, I've tested many headphones in the past, and some that retail for $100 and more, and these sound almost like those. Now, I'm not going to go out there and say these are audiophile, super high quality headphones, but they have very good sound. Even the sound stage is very even between the bass, the mids, and the highs. Very good separation in music. I listen to a bunch of different genres of music, so whether it was Latin music, bass-heavy hip-hop type of music, rock, things like that. All the different genres of music sound very good on these headphones. Actually, the bass is really good, so if you'd like heavy bass, not overpowering muddled bass, but like good solid, good thumping type of bass, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised by what these things can produce. They feature 40mm drivers, which is pretty basic on most of this style of headphones. But yeah, sound quality was very good. This is not a crappy sounding pair of headphones. They sound very good for that price point. And so overall, I think I would definitely recommend you checking these out. If you're looking for Bluetooth on your headphones, but you don't want to spend over 50 bucks, this is definitely the pair I would recommend checking out. They seem like they're going to last you a long time. The build quality is solid. It comes with the pouch. You're able to listen to them even if you run out of battery power, which is not something I can say for all headphones that are Bluetooth. They don't all work that way. They don't have active noise cancellation, but they do have passive noise cancellation, so non-powered, and that's due to the nice foam ear cups that they have here. It does a really good job of blocking out outdoor sounds or sounds that are around you. So if you're traveling with these, if you're on a subway, a train, a bus, whatever it is, if you're out and about and you want to block out the outside sound, this is going to do a very good job to passively do that. So not active noise cancellation where it's powered, which uses up more battery, but just by the fact of the on-ear style and the foam that they're using, it does a really good job of blocking out outdoor sounds. So those are my thoughts on the M1 on-ear headphones. If you guys are interested in purchasing this product, I'll put a link down below in the description to make that really easy for you guys to find. If you guys have any questions, post them in the comment section. I read every comment in all my videos, and I always answer back as quickly as possible. If you want to check out some of my other videos, I got 2 clips right here you can click on. And if you would like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on my face. I'll see you guys in the next video review.